morning. This is my second day in Grindelwald. And this is my hotel. Andyan na yung train station. So it's very near. Like, pwede na akong tumalon sa balcony para maabutan yung train. No? Seriously, ang lapit lang niya. Like, ito na siya. Yan na yan. Wala pang 1 minute na walk. And the first train, I guess, probably not the first train, pero I'll take the 8:17 train going to Interlaken. And grabe, sobrang foggy pa. I'm still early, 8:05 pa lang naman. So I'll take platform number, ano masabi? Platform number 1. According here, it's at platform number 1, going to Interlaken. So, we'll wait. Hindi pa ako maligaw. Maliit na nga ng area, hindi pa ako maligaw. But there are 3 tracks. Apparently, dito pala yung sa kabila, yung Interlaken Ost. Which means Interlaken East. Kasi merong Interlaken West. Sasakay din ako ng cruise later. Pero for now, mag-train and bus lang muna ako. Then, explore Brienz. So, from Interlaken Ost, mag-Brienz ako. Pero hindi ako mag-cruise. Yung pabalik na lang. Okay, so we are now in Brienz. We just got dropped off here. Janyan dock later for the ferry. So after I explore so mga 11:25, dapat nandyan na ako sa dock na yan to take the ferry. But for now, I'll just explore. Looks like Brienz, the town of Brienz is still sleeping. Konti pa lang yung mga bukas establishments here. Okay, so that is Lake Brienz right there. It's still closed kasi past 11 pa siya mag-open if you don't have tickets yet, but since I have the Oberland Pass, it's basically included on that. Tapos, this is just about a 3-minute walk. Pupunta na ako dun sa isang area, they call it the promenade. I think may magandang view daw doon, like a photo op. Ang ganda. It's very quiet. Ang ganda. So, medyo ma-fog. Ma-fog pa siya. Ang pretty, diba ha? Hello, Mr. Duck. Hi. Good morning, Mr. Duck. Ang ganda. Ilalabasan natin ating mahiwagang tripod para makakuha tayo ng magandang shots. Yan. Oh my god, it's a bit wet. Yes, Ducky. Are you hungry, Ducky? Okay, this is gonna be a long walk. 16 minutes. It's pretty quiet here. It's very quiet here. Again, I'm in Brienz. I don't know. Bakit tulog pa ba mga tao here? It's 10 o'clock na. Anong oras ba dapat gumigising? Okay, parang may pathway or may walkway sa taas. It's like a bridge. Come anyone. Could be. Papayat ka talaga dito kung dito ka nakatira. Pero a lot of these are hotels, Airbnb. Cute. At least hindi ganun kalala yung hike. Medyo pa-elevate nga lang. Then from afar you can see Lake Brienz right there. That's Lake Brienz. Hindi ako sure kung tama ba itong decision ko in life. Good morning, Mrs. Cow. Go. Kumain ka lang. Oh my God, there's a car. Wait, dito tayo sa tabi. Bago tayo sagasaan. But at least yung pagbalik ko, it's not gonna be a steep climb anymore. Oh fuck. Parang steep climb dun ah. Shit. Dun yata ako dadaan. Oh my God. We'll see. Okay, pahinga lang. Grabe nilakad ko to ah. Ayan. Pero I'm so near. I am so near. I'll just turn to the right and that's it. Okay lang. Pababa naman. Pagbalik. Yung ginawa ng buhay. Okay. Oh my God. Bakit siya ulit? Konti na lang. This is a copper ibex. Dito naman pala papunta to si Lolo kanina. Hindi pa ako sinakay. Yung sasakyan niya. Oh. Yan. Kuya, tanda ko yung plate number mo. Charot. So, what's here? Rupikara. Nasaan ka na? Nabas ka na. Layo na pinanggalingan para makita ka. Okay. Tulog pa. Girl, tulog pa yata sila. Kahit yung mga marmot, wala pa rito. I think nasa looban. Yung goat lang yung nakita ko. Anong ibex keme. Muna. I think it's not even their feeding time yet. Ito. I think these are birds naman. Grabe yung pagkakazoom sa pes ko. Yan. Look, it's a long-tailed pugo. Ewan ko pa ng tawag dyan. But this one, I think, this is a gold fasan. Meron ako nakitang ganito sa mga hindi ko ito napansin kanina. So, I think this is a sculpture of a wolf. Wolf, I guess. Oh, look. It's a white owl. Kuwago na puti. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanya. Ay, nakatitig siya sa akin. White owl, hello. Kuruk-kuruk. Kuruk-kuruk. Ayan siya. I'm not sure if nakikita or I don't know. Pero busy siya sa pagkain. And doon sa taas ng konti, meron siya lang, I think, partner niya yon and may mga baby deer. Hello, Mr. Goat! Hi! Hi, Mr. Goat! Hi, Mr. Goat! Good morning! Okay. Anong dadaanan ko? This one? May hagdan. go all the way down. Parang, wait, parang dead end na doon. Ayoko doon. I think here po pwede. I'll take this one instead. Okay, slowly. Slowly. Ayaw natin gumulong. Okay. Shit. Ang tarik. Okay. Okay. Alright. Please don't tell me this is a dead end. Kasi akit ako kapag kamalito. And I don't want to do that. Okay. One at a time. Ahoy. Okay. Semento. Grabe ang tarik ng bangin. Parang sa Lake Brienz ka na ang dadampot nito pag nalaglag ka dyan. And there it is. Ay, tama ba? Okay. These are for hikers that they can hike here. Siyempre dito ako. Here it is. Ito yung nakita akong daanan kanina. Okay. Okay. Pababa na to. Go. You see that stream? And it goes all the way to Lake Brienz. So pretty. Okay, ito yung pinili kong sea. Turning around. This will stop at Iseltwald, yung may Cloy na dock there, pero I'm not gonna hop off kasi I've been there and for sure there will be a lot of tourists there, so I'll avoid that. This is Seaberg Castle.
Next stop, Iseltwald.
Okay, we'll stop at Iseltwald. So this is the Iseltwald Dorf. Iseltwald, I don't know, fort or. So a couple of years ago, I stayed here. Just for, I guess, one night, and then I transferred to Lauterbrunnen. Okay, so I guess we're one station away, Interlaken na. Buti na lang may toilet here. So nag-toilet na ako, hindi na ako bababa. Hindi na ako mag-stop over sa hotel. Kabalik na ako sa train. Going to Grindelwald. Tapos mag-utisya lang ako to go to Grindelwald first. It's now in Grindelwald. Okay. Grindelwald first. Cable car. This will go all the way up Grindelwald first, and this is the first band. So this is included on my Oberland pass, and actually it's just a 10-minute walk to my hotel. Pero syempre, okay. Shit, parang nakakatakot kasi mag-isa lang ako. Oh my god. Okay. Ay. Shit. If the cable car falls.
Minutes. Enjoy your journey.
25 minutes. So this is a long one. Grabe, layo pa mo.
Top of
to the cliff. Hold on. Nagkamali tayo ng baba. Sa next station pala yung first cliff walk. So, sakay. Ah! Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Ay! Ang bilis naman. Here we go. First cliff walk ang una natin gagawin. Let's go. Kahit nahilo na ako. Nahilo ako din na. Okay. Hello. Okay, first cliff walk. Sana hindi masyadong layo. Kaya ko pa naman. Nahilo lang ako. Kaya ko pa naman. Okay, let's go. Here's a cliff walk. Let's go. So let's do that. just got off the first Grindelwald first. Fierce pala. Grindelwald first. Probably just have a very late lunch. Very late lunch. Kasi 3:20 na. Oh my god. I'm gonna have lunch. I'll have dinner by 8. So I'll just pack. The aunties. Balik na ako. I just had my late lunch. And palobat na ako. Palobat na yung aking camera. But so other than waiting for the bus for about 9 minutes. The bus wait is about 9 minutes, then travel ka ng, I don't know. Pero the walk is just 10 minutes, so I decided to walk kasi hindi pa naman ako pagod. Let's see what we have here. So this is like a mini playground. So since lobat na ako, I guess this will be the end of my vlog for today. Again, this is my second, just my second day dito sa Grindelwald. And I think I'll end this here. So see you again tomorrow na lang. Ano ba meron for tomorrow? Oh, I'll go to Muren. Maganda raw kasi doon, sabi nung staff doon sa restaurant na kinain niyo ko kagabi. So, I'll visit it. Kasi nga, there's no roads. There's no cars daw doon sa, ano na yun, sa town na yun. Still, mag-gondola na naman. So, may hilo na naman ako. But again, thank you. Oops! Dito dapat. See ya! See you tomorrow! Bye!